you can get 3 of these for the price of 1 new one of those. The biggest test in a system is how it sounds. So let's power it on. Is about the same. Very similar to the PartyBox. Maybe a little bit lighter, a couple pounds lighter. They both have 4 feet on each side. So this has got the JBL orange, and then this has just got 4 little pads. It has it on both sides of the speaker. So if you want to lay the speaker down and have it hold in place. I use these on my boat to keep it from moving around on the boat. But to be honest, the center of gravity on this thing's not the best. It's the pads don't actually hold in place, it rolls. So it'll be interesting to see if this is better rolling. They both have a convenient carry handle on the back to be able to lift it up. This one has an LED on it, so we'll see how that LED looks. And then this has a luggage rack handle on the back. It also has wheels too. These are kind of heavy speakers, so maybe sometimes it'd be nice for people just to be able to wheel it. I always throw these in a wagon personally, so I'm not really carrying these around unless it's inside the house. First thing I know is the build quality is really nice. I actually like the finish on this. The surface flush mount LEDs around the edge are really nice. The speakers look small. We'll see how they sound. In the back, they have very similar inputs to the JBL, just in different locations. They both have a microphone and a guitar input with controllable gain. They have an aux in and an aux out. Oh, this one does not have an aux out. This one has an aux out. And then they both have USB inputs and power. JBL power is down here. The Onn power is here. They both actually use the same power cord, which is nice. I like that they're RGB. Okay, so you can take and make any color you want. Any of the LEDs can be any color. You don't control that, but it does. Okay, this is the button you're gonna wanna become very familiar with right here. This turns this light on in the back or off. And there's a boost button, which I think is bass boost, and the volume is on a spinner. It looks like it goes from 0 to 30 in about 1.5 rotations. All right, initial impressions. This is fresh out of the box. Literally, I listened to the song for the very first time. Looked at the unit for the very first time. The LED show kills the JBL show. Okay, these JBL LEDs, I have nothing in comparison to these on here. Really like these LEDs better. The sound is not JBL sound. I'm actually shocked. When it first started playing, the bass boost wasn't on, and I was like, ah, here we go, another tinny speaker. I hit the bass boost on, and it was decent. Or say, oh, you're gonna go spend $350 here to get nice bass punch, or you can spend $119. You're gonna get about 75% of what you can get from a JBL audio-wise. To the average consumer, I don't think you're even gonna notice it. It's on sale for $119. I mean, you can't beat that. You're gonna want to go get it. It's a fantastic deal. Did I say fantastic? Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? Go get one of these.